Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple and fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a mirrored wall hanging. And so what you'll need is one of these clear glass plates from Dollar Tree. You'll need a mirror. You can pick up at Dollar Tree. They have these octagonal ones and they also have round ones, in whichever shape you like. I've got one of these little hangers off the back of a Dollar Tree picture frame. So you'll need a hanger. I've got some silver spray paint. I've got some hot glue, but if you're going to be making this a permanent wall hanging, my advice would be to use E6000, because the last thing you want this thing is crashing to the floor and shattering. I've got some of these loose gemstones here that I picked up at Walmart, and I also have some peel and stick gemstones from Walmart, but they do have these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And these are the items that we'll need in order to make the wall hanging, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, isn't this beautiful? It's so easy and simple to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around with it and decorating. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.